You want to see something cool? Check this out. This pipe down here is from the roof drain inside the building. So it's like 15 feet in the building. It comes down through a wall and then it comes out right here. But there's a problem with it. This here, got a camera in it, and you can see there's a separation and there are roots coming in. Now, we cleared all the other roots out, so there's hardly any left. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically take this balloon and we're gonna cover it with this fiberglass. It's gonna be basically like a fiberglass sock that goes over a balloon. And then what you do is you take that fiberglass sock that's over top of a balloon and you put it in the hole at the right spot and you fill it and you blow it up and then you leave it and you let it cure. And then what you get is you get a properly made pipe. So this here is a repair that we've already made, and you can see that it goes from cast iron and it goes to that fiberglass repair. And so we have one more to make that will that'll completely line the inside of the pipe with this fiberglass, and then you got a 50 year pipe all over again. And there's a little bump we had there, but it just goes right over top of it as if it's not even there, and then that's it. So we're about to get it done. So it's been an hour and the resin has cured, and so now we should be good to pull the thing out. So we get rid of the pressure, and we're just going to deflate the balloon. And there might be some water because it's been raining all day. And, let's see if we're successful. So the last step, of course, is to put the camera through. Oh, I think you're already there. Can you back up a bit? Yeah, okay, so that's the repair. Go ahead. Yeah, that's it. So keep going. Yep, back up just a smidge. Right, so that's where the one repair hits the other repair. And it's a solid all the way through, no more roots. So the main question is why would you do this? Well, because where we were is actually inside the building. So if we wanted to do this by digging, by replacing the pipe itself, is we'd have to rip up the floor, we'd have to cut the concrete, and then we'd have to dig down 3 feet to get to the pipe, and then we'd have to replace the pipe and then refill concrete and flooring. And then it's plus all of the dirt and all the water and all the mess, and then we have to kick everybody out of there. And this is the daycare. We'd be all the kids would have nowhere to sleep. So it's faster, cheaper, and easier, and you get a fiberglass pipe that'll last 50 years. So that's what they call a win-win-win. Thanks.